What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Pickup. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, all that good stuff. Find product and sell it on eBay. And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up? Yeah, straight up. Alright. Today, I'm going back up to the Sprint store like I did last time. I think I told you guys that I had a crack on my phone. If I get it fixed, they're gonna give me $300 towards the new one. And if I don't get it fixed, they're not gonna take it at all. So I gotta go up here. It's stupid. It's a stupid process. I gotta go up here, pay $30 to get it fixed, wait 2 hours for them to fix it, and then they can do the phone. Don't know why they just can't. I can't just give them $30 and they do it later on the back end. Who knows? But anyway, I'm ready to do that, get a new phone. About time to update. Been having this like 4 years. It's about that time. Second, I gotta go to the office and do a little packing, get some stuff out and all that good stuff. I mean, today, then I gotta work later on. Today, I mean, as y'all can tell earlier, this is what I do every day. Now that the kids is at home, they can't go to school physically, I have to do it at home, and then my wife's at work, so I gotta do all of this stuff. So during the day, I'm attending to them, and guess what? Like, I work third shift, so when do your boy get to sleep? When can I sleep? Anyway, let's go up here, get my phone, get to the office, and I'm gonna tell you guys what sold. Today's gonna be a what sold video. I forgot to say that. All right, got the phone dropped off, pulling up to the office. You know, one thing I keep doing since I got this office, forget my laptop at home. I can't print anything without my laptop, so I get all the way over here and have to go all the way back home just to get my laptop.
Oh,
I need to do
come
something
on,
about
man.
that. All right, made it to the office. Let me turn this light on. Got 12 things going out today. Let's just get right into it. First thing I got is some sheets. I got these sheets from a place called, well, I'm not gonna tell you what it's called. A place here in Louisville. And got a good deal on them. They're actually Polyborne sheets, or duvet. Is that what it's called? Duvet. Right here. These went for, let me get back over here. I believe it was $69.99 plus shipping. I got these for like half off of $20 or something. I spent $10 on them. They went for $69.99 plus shipping. Great buy. Next thing I got going out is a game. It's the Game Boy Advance Donkey Kong. Let me see if I can find it first. I believe it went for $13 and some change. Oh God, let me get this game because it's kind of high. Well, never mind. That'll be a game I have to ship when I get home. I believe I left that one at home. I know exactly where it is. There's a thing about moving your transition. You know, anyway. So we get that one later. I got some Christmas bulbs going out. Christmas is coming, y'all. Get your Christmas game up.
Yes, sir.
These went for $13.99 plus shipping. I got these. Matter of fact, let me show you. I'm gonna show you. I got these bulbs a while back in a little lots, and these just happened to come in and then they sold. Y'all remember Gordon Ridge? I don't know if anybody had a Gordon Ridge in their town. I think they at home, called At Home now. Anyway, goodbye, because I'm only like cents into those. Next thing I got going out is a darker way. It's like a headlight bulb or something like that, like a hyper white ultraviolet lens. Yeah, remember that? Yeah, I didn't know it. Yeah, never mind. I ain't even gonna go there. Let me see if I can find them. Got it. These sold for $59. Let me check. Yeah, $59.99 plus shipping. Great buy. I got these for $5 at my little bin store. It was on $5 a day. Great sale. Next thing I got going out is this actual picture now. I think I showed y'all this in the beginning of the video. This is, let me turn it around. This is a print, because that's not their real address. I say address, autograph. Picture of Johnny Cash and Elvis Presley. I got this for $7 on high bid at a local estate auction. Pretty nice buy, man, because I had it listed for like $175 and I came down and I put my store on a 20% off for like 2 weeks, and somebody actually took advantage of it. Well, sent the offer too on top of that. I ended up selling it for $100 plus shipping, which is great. Like I said, I was only like $7.50 into it. Now shipping is gonna be a pain in the butt, but I'm sure I can Frankenstein some boxes and get it together. Yeah, so that was a great buy and a great sale. Next thing I got going out is this slots. Authentic real world casino slots game on PC. It didn't go for much. It only went for $9. Free shipping. It was on one of those. It was on my promoted listings, 20% off sale. Some stuff I forgot to say. Some stuff I shouldn't put it on it, but that was one that kind of slipped through the cracks. Next thing I got going out, it's in this box as well. Just got this the other day. Got this on $1 day. Equalizer 2 with Denzel Washington. Sealed, packed, $1 day, and it went for $10.99. Free shipping. Great buy. You know, whenever you can buy something for $1, sell it in like a couple of days for $11. Can't beat that. Next thing I got going out is, what is that? Are these it right here? How this thing goes? Here they go. I think these are it. Some K8 professional gaming headset earphones. These went for $20 plus shipping. I put these on my 20% off sale. All right, real quick, got a couple of packages. I don't know if some of these are returns from people. I know who this one's from. I know who this one's from, but I don't know who this is from. Anyway, so we're gonna push everything to the side. Let's get into these first. The first one I knew was coming. Shout out to the Lone Star Picker. If you're not following, follow him. He does this thing over on YouTube just like I do. So if you like, you know, picking what sold, anything that has to do with eBay and reselling, check him out. All right. Anyway, let's open it up real quick. First off, bravo on the packing, man. He packed this real nice, and wasn't no way it was gonna get me messed up. But look at this. Look at this. It's a nice little painting, I guess you can call this on canvas. Picture. He know I'm a shoe fanatic, and of course I got these shoes and a bunch of other shoes that fit Jordans. But yeah, these are Jordan 11s, Concords. One of my favorite pair of Jordans. He didn't know it at the time, but shout out to Louis, man. Basically, he remembered that I'm a shoe head, I'm a sneaker head, and he just said, appreciate your contributions to YouTube, the community, and all you do. Enjoy. Hey, I appreciate that, man. This is, I don't know if I want to put this up. This might go home with me, because I'm trying to start to decorate. I'm in my office right now, and I don't know. We'll see, man. But hey, I appreciate y'all. Y'all go follow the Lone Star Picker. I'll put the link in the description. All right, this one right here, I didn't even know this was coming. This is a shock, man. I know who this is. This is from my guy Kevin over at Picking in the Hood. He got a YouTube channel as well, and if you like funny stuff, man, go to his channel, man. He's a trip. He just talks about picking, basically, in the hood. His name. And yeah, so let me open this up real quick. All right. He said picking in the hood too. Yeah. I like it. He said, what up, TP? This is a little something for you. Bye. Enjoy it, man. Keep doing it. Peace. Hey, Kevin, man, I appreciate it, man. This is nice. Hey, my wife's gonna love this. It's just a little picture. I actually have the perfect, what can I say it? The perfect frame for it already. I got a bunch of frames at home, and I know I got one perfect for this, but this is nice, man. I got like a little beard theme going around the bar, and I have nothing like this, man. So I don't know if y'all seen a video a while back. In fact, let me show you. Bruh. I did a video on picking this up, this whole set of DVDs, and it's missing one. It's actually missing volume 1, David and Goliath. And read this note. So, hey Dave, I want to send you this DVD because I saw that you was missing volume 1. I picked it up a couple weekends ago for 25 cents. I don't think it's from the same set, but hopefully it gives your item a boost. I tested it and it's all good. Thanks for the great YouTube content. Sincerely, Rich at Papa Bear Resales on YouTube. Wow, Rich. I was thinking this is a return from somebody. I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting none of this, but definitely wasn't expecting this. Shout out. Listen, I don't believe it's the same one, but hey, I'm gonna put it in there and let them know in the comments. Boom. Look at that. It's gonna have to work. But hey, I appreciate y'all. So I'm gonna sell it too, because I was gonna sell it as is, and now this fills it up. It might give me an extra $20 or something just because it's the full, you know what I'm saying? You just never know. Shout out to Rich over at Papa Bear Resales. I'm gonna have to check you out, man. Next thing I got going out is, I'm gonna have to dig it out. It's in bucket A. Let me get A out. Let's see, is it actually in A? No, I knew it wasn't in here because I was messing around the other day. So it's in B. Still trying to get my inventory together, man. So y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Is it in C? Bruh. 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 Can't find it at all. Let me see. I know where it is. Right here.
Oh, come on, man.
Fire hose style nozzle. I was gonna keep this, but I don't need it. I have a bunch of nozzles. This went for $11.99 plus shipping. I bought this on $1 a day, so this was great. This is actually a great nozzle. Next thing I got going out is a GameCube game, Finding Nemo. These don't go for that much. Let me see. Finding Nemo. Where is it? Where's Finding Nemo? Finding Nemo. Is Finding Nemo even here? You gotta be kidding me. Don't tell me this one's at home too. Finding Nemo, right here. This one didn't go for much. It only went for $7.99. I'm not really gonna make a lot, but these games weren't going for that much, and that one slipped in on that sale as well. And the last thing I got going out is a Kobe Mini Digital Pocket Radio. That actually went for $19.99. Free shipping, but I left that one at home. That one just sold on my way up here, and it's in one of my bins at home that I need to bring up here. But that's about it. That's all I got going out today. Great sales. I think overall was like $500 in sales. For something, almost 500. Can't beat that. And as y'all can tell, man, you know, I like to give y'all a little update of what's going on in here. I'm still trying to get some stuff together. I'm trying to get my bins together. As y'all can see, I had like a little hookup a little earlier. But what I'm doing is I list a lot. Let me show you. I list a lot at home. So I list here as well, but sometimes I'll take it back home and stuff like that. And what happens is when I list it, I put what bin I think is gonna go in, and I always forget. So what I'm start doing is taking the bin home. As you can see, I got extra ones right here. Start taking the bin home and just working that bin at home whenever I get a chance. So I'm always gonna have an at-home bin where I can work at home. And then when I wanna get down to the gritty, I come in here and knock everything out. So that's gonna be my new thing, because when you list and you put the SKU, the custom SKU in there, when I get back here, unless I write it down, it's hard to remember. So I might just need to start writing it down. Yeah, so I think I showed y'all guys this. I ain't got nothing new to show y'all today. Everything's starting to run pretty good. All right, forgot to end the video. Got my phone, got the kids with me. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good.
Are you still counting? No.